SB19, welcome back to my channel. Good news tayo. Ang SB19 verified na sa Spotify. Yes, this is a good news sa lahat. Dahil legit verified na ang ating mahalima sa mundo ng Spotify. Malayo na sa mga duplication at AI works ang ating mahalima like Justin, Joss, Stel, Pablo, at syempre si Stel. Bakit need na verified and unverified ang mga account ng singers o artist sa mundo ng Spotify? Yes, para hindi masira ang imahe ng isang public figure sa Spotify, lalo na ang mga sikat na mga singers. Ito nga, na ito ang mga pribilehiyo, mga advantages, at syempre maganda din na verified ang ating artist na SB19 dahil maraming mga benefits. Isa na dyan, maiwasan ang paggamit ng mga kanta at mga muka ng ating SB19 in terms of AI works.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.